Okay, so here's my proposal for an online presentation. I just did a quick PowerPoint presentation because I happen to have PowerPoint. If somebody doesn't have PowerPoint, I can walk them through how to get Google Slides and that kind of thing. So the first step that they would need to do is they would have to make a PowerPoint presentation like the one I've made here. And I can send out videos on how to make a PowerPoint presentation, or if they don't have PowerPoint, I can teach them how to get Google Slides, or there's a way that they can make a sway. A lot of kids in the elementary schools make sways all the time. I can walk them through how to do any of those. And I was thinking maybe I could send out the videos of how to make a PowerPoint presentation or a slideshow early on Monday morning when we get back from spring break. Step 2 would be making a video of the narration of the PowerPoint presentation, same thing I'm doing right now. We could have everyone record their presentation on Screencast-O-Matic. That's what I'm using right now. Zoom also has a great platform. There's some other videos that I've used for screencasts. They're all free. It's just a download that they would have to do. And I could send out a video of how to download these platforms on Tuesday or Wednesday, depending on how successful they were at making their slideshows. And I could also send out a how-to of how to post the videos that they make either to YouTube or email. Anyway, we'll get to that in step 3. Step 3 is how we view the presentations. I'll leave that up to you. If you want us to all view them at the same time, I can set up a Zoom meeting, or if you want to just view them on your own, then I can teach them how to send it just to your email and you can view them on your schedule. And that's pretty much it. This PowerPoint presentation took me maybe 30 minutes to put together. I don't expect that everybody who doesn't have as much experience with making a PowerPoint presentation for it to take them only a half hour, probably a couple hours, but we can space it out throughout a week. Maybe we could do one a week for how the part of the program that they think is working, or and then another week they could do a professional development idea. Anyway, those are just some of my ideas, easily tweaked to fit the department. So those are just my ideas. Let me know what you think.